Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how Snowflake Public Data Sets and Cortex Knowledge Extensions let you build a fully functional AI-powered company event analyst in under 2 minutes with zero data engineering. Here's the concept. Snowflake Public Data Sets are a collection of curated, ready-to-use public data sets delivered directly to your Snowflake account as live data shares. Company event transcripts, earnings calls, investor days, conferences are just one of the many data sets available. No pipelines, no ingestion needed. A Cortex Knowledge Extension or CKE takes that event transcript data and makes it instantly searchable. It is a pre-built Cortex Search Service. The data is already chunked, embedded, and indexed. All you do is create a Cortex agent on top of the CKE. That's it. Let me show you how fast this comes together. Okay, I am now in Snowsite. Before we create the agent, let me show you the two building blocks we talked about. Starting with the public data sets. This is the public data financials and economics database. It showed up in my account after I requested it from the Snowflake Marketplace as a live data share from Snowflake. Under the CyberSyn schema, look at all these views. Aircraft data, American Community Survey, Bank of International Settlements, Bureau of Labor Statistics, and that's just the A's and the B's. There is a huge amount of curated public data sitting here looking to be queried. No ingestion, no pipeline, it's just here for you to use. Now, let me show you the second building block, the Cortex Knowledge Extension that was built on top of this data. Here it is, Snowflake Public Data Cortex Knowledge Extensions. This is a separate shared database that showed up when I requested the public datasets from the marketplace. Inside the AI schema, under Cortex Search Services, you can see the company event transcript, Cortex Search Service. This is the CKE. It is a fully managed, pre-built search service sitting right here in your account, ready to use. You just got it from the Snowflake Marketplace. Now, let me create an agent that uses this CKE. I'm going to create a new agent. I will name the agent Earnings Transcript Analyst or something of that sort. Now the key step. I need to add a tool. I'm going to add a Cortex Search tool and point it at the Cortex Knowledge Extension for company event transcripts. This is the CKE published by Snowflake's public data team. Let me add some instructions so the agent knows it is an equity research analyst, something like you are an expert equity research analyst, search company event transcripts to answer questions about company performance, management commentary, and strategic direction. And that's it. Let me save this agent. Done. That took less than 2 minutes. No pipelines, no data engineering, no vector databases. Just point the agent at the CKE and go. Now, let me open Snowflake Intelligence and select our earnings transcript analyst agent. Let's ask one of our questions. Compare and contrast JP Morgan's management's discussion in their earnings call about revenue and profitability between Q4 2025 and Q4 2024. Look at that. The agent searched across the CKE, found the relevant earnings call excerpts from both Q4 2025 and Q4 2024 and synthesized a detailed year-over-year comparison with citations. Let me try a multi-bank question. What were the key strategic priorities and management outlooks for FY 2026 stated in the Q4 2025 earnings call or investor events from JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citibank, and Wells Fargo. And there it is, a structured summary pulling from multiple banks' earnings and presentations. This is the kind of insight that would take an analyst hours to compile annually. We got it in seconds. First, the Snowflake Public Data Sets. These are curated public data sources maintained by Snowflake and delivered directly to your account as a live data share. Zero ETL, zero maintenance, zero wait. You can learn more about this by visiting the Snowflake documentation site for the public dataset. Second, Cortex Knowledge Extensions. A CKE is a Cortex Search Service that's been shared on the Snowflake Marketplace. A provider takes text data, creates a Cortex Search Service which chunks the text, generates embeddings, and builds a search index, and then shares that service on that marketplace. That's the CKE. As a consumer, you just get the CKE and use it in your Cortex agent. You can learn more about it from the Snowflake documentation. If you would like to explore further, check out Snowflake Public Data Sets documentation. Learn more about Cortex Knowledge Extensions in the Snowflake documentation. And more importantly, talk to your Snowflake account team. They can help you get access and explore what's possible. Thank you.